If you're over 50 and think intense exercise is behind you, you're about to discover something that changes everything. One exercise, 15 minutes, 3 times per week. It builds strength, burns fat, protects your joints, and makes daily life easier. Celebrity trainers use this as their secret weapon for over 50 clients who need maximum results without injury risk. It's not running, not complicated gym machines, it's the kettlebell swing. And when done correctly, it's actually safer for your joints than walking. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're showing you exactly how kettlebell swings completely change your body after 50. No overwhelming fitness jargon, no unrealistic expectations. Just friendly, practical advice that works for real people with real schedules. By the end of this video, you'll understand the 3 body systems kettlebell swings transform, why they're safer than most exercises, and the exact beginner-friendly progression that delivers results without injury. If you're ready to feel great in your body and age on your own terms, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. First, let's understand why kettlebell swings are so effective for people over 50. As we age, we face specific challenges. Muscle loss, about 3 to 8% per decade after 30. Slowing metabolism, making fat loss harder. Joint wear and tear, making high-impact exercise painful. Balance and coordination decline, increasing fall risk. Reduced bone density, especially for women after menopause. Traditional cardio like running addresses some of these, but creates new problems. Joint impact from running damages. Knees and hips. Long-duration cardio accelerates muscle loss. Boring repetitive movement kills motivation. Kettlebell swings solve all of these problems simultaneously. They build muscle while burning fat. They're low impact, protecting your joints. They improve balance, coordination, and bone density. They're time efficient. 15 minutes delivers results that take an hour with other methods. They're engaging and dynamic, not boring. The 3 body systems kettlebell swings transform. System 1. Your posterior chain. Power for daily life. Your posterior chain is the backside of your body. Glutes, hamstrings, lower back. These muscles are critical for every daily activity. Standing up from a chair, climbing stairs, picking things up from the floor, walking without shuffling, maintaining good posture. As we age, posterior chain muscles weaken faster than others. This is why older adults shuffle when they walk, why getting up from a low chair becomes difficult, why back pain is so common. Kettlebell swings specifically target and strengthen your entire posterior chain. Every swing is a powerful hip extension. Your glutes fire hard, your hamstrings work to control the movement. Your lower back stabilizes under load. After just 4 weeks of consistent swinging, you'll notice. Standing up feels effortless, stairs become easier, posture improves automatically, back pain often reduces or disappears. System 2. Your cardiovascular system. Heart health without joint damage. Heart disease is the leading cause of death for people over 50. Cardiovascular exercise is essential, but running and high-impact cardio damage joints that are already wearing down. Kettlebell swings provide intense cardiovascular training without impact. Your heart rate elevates to 70 to 85% of maximum. This is the zone for cardiovascular improvement. But your feet never leave the ground. Zero impact on knees, hips, and ankles. Research shows that 15 minutes of kettlebell swings provides the same cardiovascular benefit as 30 minutes of jogging. But without the joint stress. For people over 50, this is game-changing. You get heart health benefits without destroying your joints. System 3. Your hormonal system. Metabolism and vitality. After 50, hormonal changes affect everything. Metabolism slows. Testosterone decreases in men. Women experience menopause. These changes make fat loss harder and muscle loss faster. Kettlebell swings trigger hormonal responses that counteract age-related decline. They increase growth hormone, which helps maintain muscle mass. They boost testosterone in men, improving strength and vitality. They improve insulin sensitivity, making your body better at using carbohydrates for energy instead of storing them as fat. One study found that high-intensity kettlebell training increased resting metabolic rate by up to 7%. That means you burn more calories even while sitting. This metabolic boost makes maintaining healthy body weight much easier. Why kettlebell swings are safer than walking when done correctly. This sounds counterintuitive, but it's true. Walking is low impact, but it's not zero impact. Every step creates force through your knees and hips. If you have existing joint issues, even walking can be painful. Kettlebell swings, when performed with proper form, create zero joint impact. Your feet stay planted. The movement is a smooth hip hinge, not a jarring impact. The dynamic loading actually strengthens connective tissue. Your tendons and ligaments adapt to the controlled force, becoming more resilient. Plus, swings build the muscles around your joints. Strong glutes protect your hips. Strong hamstrings protect your knees. This muscular support reduces joint pain over time. The key phrase is when done correctly. Proper form is everything. Let's break down the exact technique. How to perform a safe kettlebell swing. The beginner-friendly step-by-step. Step 1. The setup. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart, toes pointing slightly out. Place the kettlebell on the ground about 1 foot in front of you. Push your hips back, keeping your back flat. Grip the kettlebell with both hands. Think of this as sitting back into a chair, not squatting down. Your shoulders should be over or slightly in front of the kettlebell. Step 2. The hike. Pull the kettlebell back between your legs. Your forearms should brush against your inner thighs. Your back stays flat. Your core is tight. This is the loaded position. Step 3. The hip drive. Explosively extend your hips. Squeeze your glutes hard. Drive your hips forward. This hip snap propels the kettlebell forward and up. Your arms stay relatively straight. They're not lifting. Your hips are doing the work. Step 4. The float. Let the kettlebell swing up to chest height. At the top, you should be standing tall. Glutes squeezed, core braced. The kettlebell floats weightless for a moment. Step 5. The descent. The kettlebell swings back down. As it drops below chest height, push your hips back. Return to the hinge position. Your forearms connect with your inner thighs again. Immediately drive your hips forward into the next swing. This is one complete swing. The movement should be smooth and rhythmic, not jerky or forced. The 3 critical safety rules for people over 50. Safety Rule 1. Master the hip hinge first. Before you ever touch a kettlebell, practice the hip hinge movement. Stand facing a wall, toes about 6 inches away. Push your hips back without touching the wall with your knees. Your hands slide down your thighs. This is a proper hinge. Practice this for a few days, 10 reps, 3 times per day. Once this feels natural, you're ready for the kettlebell. Safety Rule 2. Start lighter than you think. Ego is the enemy of safety. Many people, especially men, start too heavy. For women over 50, start with 8 to 12 kilograms. For men, 12 to 16 kilograms. This might feel light. That's fine. Perfect your form with light weight. Build confidence and technique. You can always add weight later. Starting too heavy risks injury and ingrains bad form. Safety Rule 3. Stop if you feel joint pain. Muscle fatigue is normal. Your glutes and hamstrings should burn. That's good. But sharp joint pain is a warning. If your knees, hips, or lower back hurt sharply, stop immediately. Check your form. You might be hinging incorrectly or using too much weight. Never push through joint pain. Listen to your body. The 3 critical mistakes that cause injury. Mistake 1. Squatting instead of hinging. This is the most common error. People bend their knees too much, turning the swing into a squat. This puts stress on your knees and lower back. The swing is a hip hinge. Your knees bend slightly, but the dominant movement is pushing your hips back and driving them forward. Think about closing a car door with your butt. That's a hip hinge. Mistake 2. Rounding your back. When fatigued, people let their spine round. This is dangerous, especially for older adults. Always maintain a neutral spine. Chest up, shoulders back, flat back from your hips to your head. If you can't maintain this position, the weight is too heavy or you need to rest. Mistake 3. Pulling with your arms. Your arms are just ropes connecting you to the kettlebell. They don't lift it. Your hips do all the work. If your shoulders and arms are exhausted, you're doing it wrong. Your glutes and hamstrings should be the tired muscles. The 7 major life enhancement benefits of kettlebell swings. Beyond fitness metrics, swings improve your daily life in tangible ways. Benefit 1. Getting up from chairs becomes effortless. Strong glutes make this movement easy. Benefit 2. Carrying groceries feels lighter. Improved grip strength and core stability make carrying easier. Benefit 3. Playing with grandchildren is more fun. You have the energy and strength to keep up. Benefit 4. Yard work and housework become less exhausting. Your work capacity increases dramatically. Benefit 5. Posture improves without thinking about it. Strong posterior chain pulls your shoulders back naturally. Benefit 6. Sleep quality often improves. Regular exercise, especially strength training, enhances sleep. Benefit 7. Confidence increases. Feeling strong and capable changes how you move through the world. The exact EMOM protocol for beginners over 50. EMOM stands for every minute on the minute. This structure makes swings manageable and trackable. Week 1 to 2. Set a timer. At the start of each minute, perform 10 swings. Rest for the remainder of that minute. Continue for 5 minutes. 50 total swings. Week 3 to 4. Increase to 8 minutes. 80 total swings. Same 10 swings per minute. Week 5 to 6. Increase to 10 minutes. 100 total swings. Week 7 to 8. Increase to 15 swings per minute. Continue for 8 to 10 minutes. 120 to 150 total swings. This progression is gradual and safe. You build capacity without overwhelming your body. How often should you swing? For people over 50, 3 times per week is optimal. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. This provides stimulus without overtraining. Your body needs recovery time, especially as you age. On rest days, stay active with walking, stretching, or light movement. But don't do hard training. What results can you expect? In 4 weeks, noticeable strength increase, daily activities feel easier, improved energy levels throughout the day, possible reduction in joint pain if you had any, better sleep quality in 8 weeks, visible body composition changes, less fat, more muscle definition, significantly improved cardiovascular fitness, enhanced balance and coordination, increased confidence in your physical abilities in 12 weeks, transformed physique for your age group, strong, capable, vibrant, measurable improvements in blood pressure, cholesterol, and other health markers, sustainable habit established, swinging feels natural and enjoyable. Here's the truth about aging and strength. You don't have to accept weakness as inevitable. You don't have to stop doing activities you love. You don't have to rely on others for physical tasks. One exercise, 15 minutes, 3 times per week. Kettlebell swings can change everything, not through magic, but through consistent practice that builds real strength, burns fat, protects your joints, and makes life better. Celebrity trainers charge hundreds of dollars per session to teach their over 50 clients this exact exercise. Now you have the same information, for free. So here's my challenge. Get a kettlebell, start with appropriate weight, practice the hip hinge for a few days. Then begin the EMOM protocol, 3 times per week for 12 weeks. 12 weeks from now, you'll feel stronger, look better, and move through life with more confidence than you have in years. If you're over 50 and committing to kettlebell swings, drop a comment saying, "Swinging at 50 plus." Let's build a community of people who refuse to let age define their strength. And if you want more over 50 fitness content, detailed tutorials, and age-appropriate training programs, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Kettlebell swings completely change your body. Strength, fat loss, joint health, energy, confidence, all from one simple movement done consistently. Age on your own terms. Get strong, feel great. I'll see you in the next video. Now go swing.